Hello techies, this is miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. And for today's video, we will be reviewing the Luna series case by iBlason in rose gold. According to Amazon, she is made out of a polycarbonate and TPU build to create a drop-resistant frame. She has a slim, modern design that ensures the case and your phone are stylish. She is fingerprint and grease resistant, meaning your case stays sleek and clean all of the time. Lastly, fully supports wireless charging. I will go over the cutouts, test wireless charging, tabletop protection, and my final thoughts. Cutouts. All of the cutouts are precise. The guides to access the fingerprint scanner and the heart rate sensor work and are easy to find when not looking directly at it. Here are some tests with different plugs. The AKG headphones that come with the S9 Plus fits perfectly into the audio jack with no hesitation. A standard USB Type-C cable connects with no intrusion. The Samsung OTG plug doesn't fit in the cutout, so you will need to take your phone out when you use it. The Samsung micro USB to USB Type-C adapter snaps in very well. This Spigen USB Type-C male to female extender cable doesn't fit in the cutout, so you will need to take it out of the case when you use it, or you can cut the plastic edge a bit to make it fit. Wireless charging. This case claims to be compatible with wireless charging, so I tested it with the 3 different types of wireless chargers created by Samsung. I am happy to say that it works with the wireless charging pad, the wireless charging stand, and the wireless charging convertible. Tabletop protection. The top and bottom of the case has a slight lip to provide some screen protection when you set the phone down. But just how much protection does it really have? Let's put it to the test. I squeezed a water droplet on the display and then placed a piece of glass on top of it. As you can tell, the water droplet gets smashed, so I definitely recommend a screen protector and no slamming it on the table. Final thoughts. The Luna series case in rose gold by iBlason is elegant, ergonomic, and fits nicely on my S9 Plus. My only concern is that I notice it does get stained easily due to the light color, and I can see the more goldish section wear out throughout time. Amazon has it currently priced at around 15 bucks. I think that's a decent price. Now, if you want to know how you can get your hand on this case for free, I will place a link down below in the description. If you have any additional questions about this case, leave it down below and I will be sure to answer it. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with others. And while you're here, please subscribe. And as always, stay curious, techies.